Hello dear friends, I'm Puya and this is the Crypto Earner channel. In this channel, I introduce the best crypto games and projects. Today, I want to introduce you another free play to earn game that you can withdraw your money from it through crypto and Payeer and PayPal. To download this game, you must follow these steps. First, you must open your browser and enter this URL m.my-pocket-money.com. You can see this address in this video's description too. After that, you have to click on the Start Earning button and select Register. On the next page, you must set an email address and password for your account and then click on the Get Verified code. A code will be sent to your email. If you like, you can also use the referral code and then click on the Sign Up button. After registration, you must click on the Start Earning button and click on the Android button to download the game. After downloading the game, you must click on the Activate Now button to enter the game. You must agree to the game rules and log into your account. You must log into the game with the same Gmail account that you registered on the site. After logging in, it says that you have to spin the lucky draw 6 times. To spin the lucky draw, you need to see an advertisement. After seeing the basic training of the game, you should go to the lucky draw section and turn the wheel. It will show you an ad. You must do this 6 times. After that, your account will be activated. The game is very simple. Just merge the foods and progress in the game to earn more coins. To withdraw money from this game, you need at least 6,000 coins, which is worth 5.5 Tron. And if you want to withdraw your money through Payeer or PayPal, you need at least 10,000 coins, which is worth 70 cents. On the top right side of the main menu, there is a section called Gift Box, which you can open every 2 hours by seeing an ad. Okay, now let me show you how to withdraw money from this game. Just after reaching the minimum amount, you must go to the website and click on the Withdraw button. You have 5 options to withdraw your money from this game. I recommend these 2 methods, TRX and Payeer. For TRX, you must have at least 6,000 coins and then you must enter your TRC20 wallet address. As you can see, at the moment of video recording, the minimum amount for withdrawal was 3,600 coins. The minimum amount may change over time. For Payeer, you must enter your Payeer account number and have at least 10,000 coins. You can earn more by referring your friends to this game. For each friend, you will be rewarded 400 coins and 20% of that friend's earning. Okay, thanks for being with us. If you are interested in making money from crypto games and projects, be sure to subscribe to our channel. There are several similar games that I will introduce them soon. Thank you for watching. Love you. Bye.